SouthernBM was started in 2005. We wanted to go out and do our own thing, myself and business partner, and we started what we wanted to be a BMW independent workshop, just focusing on BMW service and mechanical repairs. The values of the business start with honesty and integrity, as part of any good business should be, and closely followed up by the way you treat people. Now, in this day and age, not everyone gets treated as you would expect, and bringing back some of that from the older times is a very big part of the values of SouthernBM. The journey over the years, we really focused on service and maintenance, and then feedback from customers was to create a different service schedules for cars. So we branched out into doing specialised service that wasn't necessarily as part of BMW service schedule, being like transmission services and transfer case servicing and air conditioning and things like that. And branching out from that, the feedback from customers was to look into doing some more performance orientated work. So when BMW bought out the turbo engines for the 135s and 335s, we had partners that we were already using, and they had performance range, and that introduced us into performance products, which we tested on our own cars and then brought product to market subsequent after that. So the business changed from just doing service and maintenance, still being our core, into introducing performance products for the Australian market. BMW was always a passion of mine, the brand, the sportiness. You know, I grew up watching E30 M3s racing, that we watch them all the time. I love the sporty nature of the cars. I love the heritage of the cars. Nowadays I love the classic side of them, which is still the same thing as I was growing up on. And it all stemmed from there, and once you've got that, you can't go back.